Hey guys, so coming back from Moab, I noticed my brakes were getting pretty weak.
And rightly so, given the trails we hit and the mileage I've got on the odometer.
Which really just means one thing. I need to upgrade my brakes.
So I searched online and found the ultimate Z36 kit from PowerStop. Inside of the front kit we find Z36 carbon fiber ceramic brake pads with listed braking instructions, stainless steel hardware, synthetic brake lube, and of course the brake pads themselves. Also included are new rubber boots and the front rotors. These Z36 rotors are slotted and drilled for better heat dissipation and are zinc coated for better performance. Plus they look really nice. So let's box these back up and check out the rears. Again, we find the ceramic brake pads with braking instructions and all necessary hardware and lube. And the rear rotors that match the front. Okay, time to pack this up and head to the Jeep. Located in Kent, Outlaw Overland is one of the few shops I would trust to work on my Jeep. Cody and Cameron do great work and offer super fair pricing. So after a quick install, it's out of the shop for the break-in, just after I pay the shop first. Okay, so let's take these out and see how they compare. This is a hard stop from 30 miles per hour. First up is the stock brakes. And now with the PowerStop Z36 kit. Wow, what a difference.
So that's it guys, a super easy upgrade, even easier for me taking it to the shop, and a massive upgrade over the stock brakes. If you guys are looking for the same sort of upgrade, check out the link in the description below, and otherwise, make sure to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.